What's going on, guys? It's Bobby here, and today I'm going to be giving away my stock portfolio tracker away for free to you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to use it and how you can use it to your advantage. And the link is going to be in the description. All you have to do is make your own copy of it. But I do ask, if you guys do use it, it'd be greatly appreciated if you leave or hit the subscribe button, and that'd make my day. But let's get into it. So I'll show you guys how you can use it to your advantage. So over here in portfolio holdings, this is what you want to do right when you get the sheet. I just inserted some numbers here. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to delete the bottom three, and then you're gonna start here. You don't want to delete these top numbers because all of the formulas are inside of them. So let's say, I don't know, your largest holding is QQQ. Insert that in. Let's say you have 20 shares and you bought it at $300. You click enter, and now all of your numbers should be in here. So the price of it today is $439. Your cost if you sold it today to be $6,000, or no, that's how much you bought it for, and your market value is $8,780. So you'd make right here a $2,780 gain on it. Shows your day's change, your growth, 1 year trend, dividend yield, dividend income, and if you have a win or a loss. So I don't know, let's just add some numbers in here. So let's say you have Coca-Cola, 20 shares at, I don't know, let's see, it's price $60, so 50. And then these numbers aren't going to come in, so what we're going to do is you're going to highlight right here and you're going to drag it down one. And now all these numbers should load in. So this is the cost of it today. That's how much you paid for it, and that's your market value. So you're up $200 on it. So let's just add one more. Let's say you have Johnson & Johnson. Let's say you have 100 shares at $100. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to drag that across, highlight it, and then you're going to bring this one down one. And boom. Now all your numbers are in for that. So let's go back over to the dashboard. So it'll show your portfolio value. So after adding all your holdings, that's how much your value is. Like how much money you've put into it, and that's your gain right here. So it's the gain. So if you add those up, you're sitting at what's 17 plus 9, 26. You're $26,118, and your portfolio gain percentage is at 53.64%. Your yearly dividend income, you're making $565 a year. Your average yield and your total holdings right here shows your cost to market value. So 6,000 to 8,000 on QQQ, and the rest of that. You got a pie chart here showing how much you have in each stock and what percentage of it is your holdings. Percent gain here, what's highest. And then this worksheet over here, don't worry about this, just let it be. Once you insert numbers, this is what pops up. So it'll show your win amount, and then if you have any losses, it'll show up red down here. But yeah, that's all. And I hope you guys enjoy using this, and I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, leave a like on this video, share with your friends, and yeah, stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.